friend Landon is on there. Yeah, he will be going to Van Nuys and then meeting with us on the Christmas. He reports a Riverside line going to Riverside down there.
What engine is that?
You don't know what this is? Grandpa, this is a Riverside line going to Riverside downtown from Los Angeles. They only run on weekdays. They never run on weekends. Did you know that?
No.
So when they do that Stations of Metrolink season, it has to be all of the episodes have to be. There's a Metrolink coming on. I don't know what line that is. It's the Metro line. Come on. There's also meeting with the Metro line. A gray one. Let's go. Alright, there goes the Metro line. Oh no, he isn't. Look at what it says. It's Metrolink 708 to South Paris. It's a 91 Paris Valley line. Hey Grandpa, I just saw what it said on the side. This is Metrolink 708 from Los Angeles Union Station to South Paris. 91 Paris Valley line. Alright everyone, we have a train meet with a Metrolink question mark, because I don't know, and Amtrak 14 that goes Starlight to Seattle, which we are taking. Oh, there it is right there in the back. Care about the view? Yeah. Look at both. Look at both trains. Oh, that Metrolink's going fast for Los Angeles. Observation car. I mean the observation car, that's what it's called. Dining. And then a couple. Then some stuff. Should we get me in front of then? Grandpa, I think you should check again.